staying here at Discovery Shores in Boracay. We're heading downstairs for breakfast. Yesterday we had Paraw sailing, and today we're gonna have the island hopping tour. Show you the hotel and the swimming pool area. Still have to swim in this pool, at least before we leave tomorrow. Let's go get breakfast. Good morning. From the most beautiful island in the world.
This is the best view.
The best view. We're gonna miss this. Oh my god. We're on our way on an island tour right now. So many people here at the beach. Good morning.
Good morning. Kamusta breakfast?
Okay lang po. Daming boats oh. Okay, we're heading out to the sea again. There's our boat.
First time mo magbabangka.
Yay!
Ng private bangka, motorized bangka.
Binili po namin itong bangkang ito sa halagang
Sa halagang 7 million.
ito po ang main
Yan po ang aming
main
sponsor.
main sponsor namin.
Yes.
Siya po yung pinakamayaman.
1 billion net worth. Mayaman sa reklamo.
Mayaman sa reklamo. Ubod ng yaman. Sorry, excuse me.
Ako po ay extra lang.
Ubod ng yaman. Hindi lang mayaman.
Alright, here we go.
Well, there's like a snorkeling area, and then there's an island, and then there's part of this island which is Puka Shell.
So anong first stop natin?
Okay tayo sir,
Ah,
kasi sa kami natin
sige. Snorkeling tayo. Okay.
Andun na sila lahat ng beauty princess.
Chart. Dito. Dito. Hey. We got 2 expert swimmers dito.
So usually we drift as long as you float. Just stay put, they'll drag you back. Come on, say if you let go.
Marami ng benta. Bago pa lang. Ayun sa akin.
Ay, ibibigyan
Sige, open mo siya, Luke. Kung kaya mo.
Ang bigat. Buko ba talaga to? Ano?
Hindi, ano yan.
Salt water.
Grabe ka, marunong ka na. Okay, got hold it. Alright, look at that. Alright, we're at Puka Beach now. Okay. This is tough. Welcome to Puka Beach.
Ito kaya ka? Tayo pa nila.
Hey, thank you. Welcome to Puka Beach. Woo! After visiting 2 snorkeling spots, we arrived at the last stop of the boat tour, which is Puka Shell Beach. In the past, the beach used to be lined with puka shells, which is where it got its name from. The beach is located at the northern tip of Boracay, and there are different ways to get here: by tricycle, by motorcycle, or by private boat. In the north, you can see Carbo Island, which is part of the province of Romblon. Amazing. Hello. We're at Puka Beach right now. Still deciding if we're gonna have lunch here. Can't fly the drone, unfortunately, because of strong winds, but this is amazing.